4 green nail designs. That's right, that's right. I got 4 green nail designs coming your way right here, right now. And of course, I looked on those interwebs of it all. Yes, I did. Found 4 interesting designs to do with a nice green base of it all. One of them is going to be stamped. One of them is going to be kind of hand printed, hand done and stuff, and maybe slight sparkle to just give it a little bit of oomphy oomph. So yes, I have some designs, and these are the designs I was thinking of doing, right? So let's get into awesomenesses. One of them I was thinking probably on my pointer finger as I point at you. This one here that is a checkered, and that one's going to be done with a stamp. Yes, you have seen me in the past do it with the color of doing it by hand, freehanding the little squares, but this is going to be on a stamp that I have. So I found a stamp that has that, so I thought I'd do that as a stamp to probably make it a little easier for you. And yes, as you've been seeing, I did do a nails with a nice red base, like handful of red polishes last time, but now I'm just doing this green, all the same color green, but on 4 different nails. And my other one, I was thinking, is going to be like flower prints on this other finger, like on my second one, and I found this one with a green base flower print, so I thought I would do that as one of the designs, very close to it. That was going to be done by hand. I could do this next design, which is going to be on my ring finger right here that you see, that's green, that's animal print, like a leopardy animal print. And I'm thinking, because that one's matte, it's going to be an accent matte nail, so I think I could do it glossy, but I'm going to do it matte to kind of keep it the same. And then my 4th nail is going to be gradient. I was thinking of doing a nice gradient nail, so that's going to that. And then I did see this other gradient nail, and it had a little bit of water droplets. So I might do gradient with water droplets. But that's the only thing I might change on that, to maybe add a little bit of sparkle. I might bring in a little bit of a green sparkle, maybe with the gradients. So we'll see how that goes. I have everything I need. As you can see in these things, I'm going to do pretty much exactly the same. Just the base might be, it's slightly different base, because I'm going to do the same for all of them. So the darker and the lighter colors are going to be the same kind of green, I would potentially call it. What do they call it? Crazy about cargo. Yeah, cargo color. That makes sense. So let's get into the 4 nail designs. To the first checkered nails, and these ones being stamped, as you can see. Now you put that stamp on top of that nice cargo green of it are. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. And yes, it didn't come out perfectly. I could have maybe done it better if I did another stamp and got rid of that one. But there it is, all done, as you can see. Now to the next one of the flowers. In the middle is yellow, so I'm using a little dot of yellow before I put the petals. Now I'm putting the white petals as I go. Plop and plop, plop to the petals, each petal to the next, looking like some nice little flowers. Oh yes, and then I saw that it was overlapping the yellow, so I put a little extra yellow, and now to hold it on with that thick glossy top coat. Look at that from this look. Now to the next one, as we're doing that animal print of it all. Yep, you can see that. This is the middle part. Doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm just kind of blobbing out with that. Now I'm using my nail brush to put the lines that don't have to be perfect as well. So animal print like this can be pretty easy. The leopard one is you don't have to be perfect with it. I did go back on some of them, as you'll see. But there we go. It had some dots in the middle. So now I'm putting the thick, glossy top coat to hold that design in. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And now I'm making it matte, like I said I would. And there it is, looking pretty close to the design idea. And now the gradient. Of course, I'm using the sparkle, like I said I was going to use, with the gradient nail of two-toned instead of the black on the top. So there is that. And, of course, we've got to hold that in with that glossy top coat as well. Looking good in my own way. There are all the nail designs together in one shebang. Well, there we go with the 4 green nail designs. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Making them pretty exact, I would say. But you can be the judge of that. Yes, you can. And, of course, with all that green comes a green outfit. Big reason why I chose green this time was I have these green jeans I got from a used place in the UK. Had them for a while, and I like wearing them. And I decided it was a good time for all that nice green of it all. Yes, and even this green, and even this green. And this is black, because I did sprinkle a little bit of black in that designs of it all. But just because I did green doesn't mean I can't do another color. So if you want me to do pink, a blue, a black as a base, a gray, a tan, maybe a brown, more of a chocolate color, whatever you want me to do, let me know. And I can potentially put an outfit with that color in it as well to my best ability. So for now, we're going to take it on and enjoy all the green to the next.